Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the boot mode from UEFI to legacy mode on a Lenovo ThinkPad T550. As soon as you see the Lenovo logo, repeatedly tap the F1 key to enter the BIOS setup. Use the right arrow key to go to the Security tab. Use the up and down arrow keys to select Secure Boot, then press Enter. Use the arrow keys to highlight Secure Boot, then press Enter to change it from enabled to disabled. Press the Escape key to go back. Use the right arrow key to go to the Startup tab. Select UEFI/Legacy Boot, then press Enter. Select both or Legacy only, then press Enter. I recommend selecting both. Select Boot Priority, press Enter, choose Legacy first, then press Enter. Select Network Boot, press Enter, choose HDD, then press Enter. This step is optional because PCI LAN is only used for network booting in business environment. If needed, select Boot to change the boot order. Use the keys shown on the screen, usually plus and minus, to move a device up or down. Press the Escape key to go back. Use the right arrow key to go to the Restart tab. Select Exit Saving Changes, press Enter, then select Yes to save the changes and restart the computer. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.